Hi, I'm going to illustrate making a quantile plot. So we start off with some data. These will be some hypothetical test scores. So the first thing I'll do is I will sort this data. So let's see, the smallest observation is 30, and then 42, 77, 80, and 90. And then what I'll do is I'll define a thing called I, which is the index of the observation, which would correspond to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I define the fraction, which is defined to be I minus 0.5 divided by the sample size, which is 5. So for 1, if I plug in 1 in that equation, I get 0.1. If I plug in 2 in that equation, I get 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9. So what I do when I construct a quantile plot is I'll plot I have a scatter plot. I'll plot the data values on the vertical scale, and I'll plot the fractions on the horizontal scale. So here's my y-axis, and here's my x-axis, and I'll put the fractions down here. So f will be here, here's here's 0, here's 1, and I'll mark off in steps of 0.2. And here I put the data, we'll call it y, and y will go from, say, 20, there's 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. And now I'll plot my observations. The smallest observation was 30, and the fraction was 0.1, and there would be a dot here. Next one is 42 and 0.3. Next one is 77 and 0.5. Next one is 80 and 0.7. And last one is 90 and 0.9. And so this is my quantile.